I think most people would agree that conduit bending starts just like this. You're going to bend over and get a piece of conduit, get your ruler out, get a mark on it. But with the BENDstation Pro, it's much more simple. You're just going to get a conduit from this rack, place it against the ruler, push it up till it stops. Now I'll make a 4-inch mark here for a 10-inch 90. We'll go right into the bender head. I'll align that mark right on my arrow. Now the marks on this bender are all the same as your hand benders. It's got the arrow, the notch, and the star, so there's no learning curve there. Now we'll make the 90. I'm going to bend this to about 95 to compensate for spring back. So there's the 90. We'll go right back on the bender head, push it to the front. Now I'm going to make a couple of marks here and do a 4-inch 30-degree offset. Go right back in the bender head. I'm going to line that mark right on the front of this bender hook. Now we'll level it up. I'm going to bend that to 33 to compensate for spring back. Again, we'll line that up right on the front, level it up. So there's a 10-inch 90 with a 4-inch offset. We'll go right back on the top, push it up till it hits the stop, and now we'll make our mark. We'll move back to the vise, clamp it in the vise, and now we'll make a nice, safe, and accurate cut. You might have noticed I didn't have to bend over one time to make this. I did this complete conduit bend all standing up. The vise also will hold your unistrut, so you can take your unistrut, place it up on the top, get your marks on it, come back, and the unistrut goes right in the square tube here, so you'll be able to push it in and make your cut, slide it out, make your cut, slide it out, make your cut. Then you can take your pieces and get your rods cut. You can throw it right back up here on the top, assemble your racks, and then pass it off to the guys that are installing them.